So, what are we going to discuss today? We are going to talk about a very useful mistake. Useful mistake? Yes, it is very useful for you to be aware of this mistake. Consider this sentence. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. How would you replace the phrase known as in this sentence using the verb call? Many people would say the lion is called as the king of the jungle. It is wrong. It is wrong to say called as here. Then how should we put it? We should say the lion is called the king of the jungle, not called as the king of the jungle. There is no phrase in English called as to mean known as. Another example, the Indian film industry is known as Bollywood. How do you replace the phrase known as here? Again, it should be the Indian film industry is called Bollywood, not called as Bollywood. We say known as, so many people might think that we should also be saying called as, but it is wrong. It is wrong to say called as in this context. The equivalent of known as is not called as, but just called. Does it mean that we should never say called as? Not really. Called as may be right in other contexts. For example, suppose you are talking to one of your friends and you want to kid with your friend. So you disguise yourself as a stranger. Now we can say, I called my friend on the phone, but he couldn't recognize me because I called as a stranger. Here we have used called as, but it is entirely different in meaning. So how about doing a homework? Replace the phrase known as in the following sentences using the verb called. Why is football known as soccer? Africa was known as the Dark Continent. Thank you very much for watching. I will get back to you with yet another mistake next week. Till then, goodbye.